Welcome to Algebra Basics. In this video, we are going to master the concept of negative distribution. Specifically, we will look at what happens when you have a negative sign sitting right outside a pair of parentheses, like negative, open parenthesis, a plus b, close parenthesis. First, let's unlock the secret of that negative sign. In algebra, when you see a negative sign directly in front of a group, there is actually an invisible number 1 hiding there. So, negative, x plus 5, is mathematically the same as negative 1 multiplied by the entire group of x plus 5. You can also think of the negative sign as a command meaning the opposite. Just like negative 5 is the opposite of positive 5, a negative sign in front of a group tells you to take the opposite of everything inside that group. It turns positives into negatives and negatives into positives. Here is the core rule. To remove the parentheses, you must distribute that negative sign to every single term inside. The negative goes to the becoming negative and the negative also goes to the b, becoming negative b. Notice how both terms changed their signs. Let's prove this with real numbers. Suppose we have negative, open parenthesis, 3 plus 4. If we follow the order of operations, 3 plus 4 is 7, and the negative makes it negative 7. Now, if we use distribution, the negative applies to the 3, making negative 3. It also applies to the 4, making negative 4. Negative 3 minus 4 equals negative 7. It works perfectly. Now for the tricky part. What if there is already a negative sign inside? Look at negative, open parenthesis, x minus 5. We distribute the negative to the x, getting negative x. But when we distribute the negative to the minus 5, remember that a negative times a negative is a positive. So minus 5 becomes plus 5. The final answer is negative x plus 5. Here is the most common mistake students make on exams. They give the negative sign to the first term, but forget the second one. In the example on the left, the student wrote negative x plus 3. This is incorrect because the 3 did not get the negative sign. The correct answer, on the right, is negative x minus 3. Be careful to share the negative with everyone inside. Ready to try one? Simplify this expression. Negative, open parenthesis, 2y minus 9, close parenthesis. Pause the video now if you want to think about it. Ready? Distribute the negative to 2y to get negative 2y, then distribute it to negative 9 to get positive 9. The answer is negative 2y plus 9. Let's try a challenge with 3 terms. Negative, open parenthesis, a plus b minus c, the rule doesn't change. We distribute the negative to all 3. A becomes negative a, b becomes negative b, and negative c flips to become positive c. The result is negative a minus b plus c. To wrap up, remember these key points. A negative sign outside parentheses is like multiplying by negative 1. It flips the sign of every single term inside the group. Positives become negatives, and negatives become positives. Keep practicing, and you will master this in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.